Hello my dear students, welcome to our JEE and NEET Foundation class. This is our first video and I hope you all will like this. And today we are going to discuss about few basics before you are hitting the preparation or you are preparing for the NEET or JEE exams. I would like to say one thing. If you consider a building, right? So how can we say that building is strong or weak? So it depends on the foundation of that building. If the foundation is very strong, then we can say the building will also be strong only, right? So why I told you this? It is very simple. Many students, they have a dream to become a doctor or engineer, right? They have a lot of dreams. And today's world is completely competitive. So when it comes to competitive, like exams, competitive exams, there are so many things to explore and so many things to understand. So in that process, today we are going to discuss about JEE and the NEET foundation classes. So today it's like an introduction, right? So why we are doing all these foundation classes for high school students, what is the purpose and how these classes will help the students, we will explain all these things. Dear students, please try to understand, when you are having the dream like I want to write JEE exam or NEET exam, you must understand what are the basics you must learn before you are going to PU. Because many college teaching faculty will always say one thing about students. The students are not having the maturity to understand the JEE and NEET exams seriousness, right? So why they told? Because you will do everything for the NEET and JEE at 11th and 12th class. But you must understand, if you start your preparation for 8th, 9th, 10th, or you may start from 6th standard also, 6th to 10th, if you just give for 30 to 40 minutes every day only for this foundation, then I am telling you definitely these all basics, this foundation will help you to understand the concepts in 11th and 12th class. So it is very, very important. Before we are going to explore the main concepts and topics, right, about this foundation, I would like to ask you one thing. How to start? Do you know how to start this foundation class? Do you know what are the basics we must have before we are going to explore this, right? Listen, my dear students. Remember, before you are going to any exams, competitive exams, any course, anything, right? You must learn one thing. You must ask why you want to be. It is called as a why factor, right? You must find out the why factor before you are preparing for any competitive exams, before you are taking any course. Why I want to study JEE? Why I want to study NEET? Why I want to study foundation classes, right? So this why factor, if you have a clarity about this why factor, then I am telling you this will definitely will give you more confidence. So this is first thing. So find out your why factor. Why you want to be successful? Why you want to be, why you want to take the science course? This factor you have to find out, right? This is one thing. Second thing is, it's about mindset. It's about mindset. Yes, this is very, very important. This mindset, this concept, it is not only for studies, it is for your life also, right? So when you have a strong mindset for any competitive exams, definitely you will get success. you must have a strong mindset. Because why I told you this, when we ask some kind of questions in the high school level for students, right, without thinking, let's say for example, if I ask any one student in a high school, what you want to be like in the future, simply they will say, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, like that they will say. But when it comes to PU, when the same child is learning in PU science, and same question if I ask, why you want to be like this, or what you want to be like this, they will ask. So your mindset, right? Your mindset is very, very important. When we ask a question in a high school level, what you want to be in future, they will say, I want to be a doctor, I want to be engineer, like that. The same question if you ask the same student when he is or she is studying in a science, right? Then they will say, sir, we have to wait for the result. So it depends on the result, they will say. So why this change will come? Because they are not having clarity about what to do next, right? So it is my request for everybody who is watching this, first you must have a clarity about what to do next. Second, already said, the mindset. The first one, why factor, right? And then come to the third one. So third question is, sir, now I am in high school, right? Why I should start my journey of this JEE or NEET exams preparation from now? Yes, listen carefully. When you have very strong basics about mathematics, about science like physics, if you are very strong in basics, then you can learn or you can understand very complex concepts in the PU level. So this basics will come from 6 to 10 standard. So that's why I am telling you, you must have these all things in your mind, then you start for your preparation. Okay, so children, let's come to the next point. So after understanding these all basics, right, these all insights, now we have to move for next one. So the question is, how I should start my preparation? Very simple. So here, these are the important points you must focus. The first point is early preparation. Yes. So how much you will do preparation, it will definitely help you, right? Preparation is very, very important, and very interesting thing is you have to start the preparation early, right? So giving you more time to understand tough concepts. So when you start preparation very early, you can understand all the concepts at a time, right? This is first thing. Second thing, as you know, the strong basics are very important for all these competitive exams. Focuses on making your fundamental knowledge in science and maths. This fundamental knowledge will come not by hearting the concepts. This fundamental knowledge will come by understanding. By understanding the concepts it will come, this knowledge will come. Not just by reading the question answers, right? And then come to next one, competitive edge. Prepares, what they say, listen carefully, prepares you for the type of questions asked in competitive exams. It means competitive edge means you must observe the actual syllabus of that course, and you have to refer some old question papers, and you must be in that zone, right? Like preparation zone, right? And after this, very important point, reduced stress. So this stress makes learning gradual and reduce stress when you reach classes 11th and 12th. It means what? If you want to reduce the stress in PU level, you have to start the preparation from 6th standard. You understood? And one more point is, key areas covered usually include physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology with a focus on problem solving skills. This is one of the most important skill, right? Problem solving skills. So you must understand what is the skill, how I should learn, all these things. If you keep it in your mind, no, then I am telling you this NEET or JEE exam will be easy. Okay, so this is the first introduction class for my students, and definitely in the next classes we will start our syllabus. And I request to everybody, yes, I can understand we have all types of students like Kannada medium and English medium students. No issues, no problem. In the next video I will combine both, like I will use Kannada as well as English, so that you can understand the concepts very easily. My dear students, for more updates, please subscribe this channel and get all the videos and all notification. Thank you so much.